In the dawn of creation, God's divine vision unfolded. A breathtaking world teeming with life, a majestic garden bloomed with lush plants, towering trees, majestic mountains, and serene rivers. The waters flowed to nourish this paradise, while the sun ignited the cycle of life, helping plants and trees to create oxygen and purify the air. Birds sang sweet melodies, awakening the plants, and animals roamed, maintaining harmony. Predators kept populations in check, and herbivores pruned the trees, while their droppings enriched the soil. This intricate web of life thrived, and the Creator saw it was good. Then humanity was crafted in His divine image and entrusted to care for this masterpiece. The question remains, have we fulfilled the sacred responsibility? The state of nature today speaks for itself. Can we still make amends and honor the trust placed upon us?